To restart your Xfinity router, you can do so in two ways. The first method involves a manual reset. Start by unplugging the power cable to shut down the router. Then wait for about 1 minute before plugging it back in, which can help resolve connection issues. Alternatively, you can use the admin tool by connecting your device to the same Wi-Fi network as the router. Then opening a web browser and searching for 10.0.0.1. Log into the admin portal using the router's username and password. Navigate to the troubleshooting option and choose Reset or Restore Gateway, followed by Reset. This will restart the router gateway in the same way as a manual renewal. Another option is to log into your Xfinity account on the Xfinity website. Scroll down to the troubleshooting section and select Restart. Regardless of the method, after restarting the router, you will need to reconnect to the Wi-Fi network on all of your devices.